Alright, so yesterday we went over what an angle is. And we know that when we have an angle, as an angle, it's the measure of the amount of turn. Okay, so we have different types of angles. This is your space for the angle. This is your vertex. And you can make a 360-degree turn. It's not wanting to turn there. There we go. Like this. And we talked about there being 3 different types of angles, but then we also added another one, so there's 4 types. We added reflex angle. So we have this kind, this kind, this kind, and this kind. So what kind of is this? This would be an acute angle. It's a cute little angle. This would be a right degree angle, and this is 90 degrees. This is what kind? Obtuse. This is a straight angle, straight line. If you go below, it's a reflex angle. It's more than 180 degrees. If you go the whole circle, 360 degrees, and this protractor shows that in degrees around. But I want to use the bigger protractor to show you how to measure. So usually you'll just have angles that are on your paper, and you would need to use your protractor and put it down on your paper and measure your angles. If I had this here, see, it measures right at 90 degrees. But one thing I think is the most confusing about the protractor is that the numbers start at 0 degrees here, and it counts by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, all the way over to 170, 175, 180. But then also, you could read it this way. If your angle is this way, you just start at 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and go this way. So you just have to look at your vertex and look at the way that your arms are going. If they're going this way, you put it like this. Going this way, put it like this. So if I had it open like this, you know that this is more than 90 degrees. And it's right here. So I have a 40 and a 140. Okay, so that's confusing. I've got 2 numbers. But like I was just telling you, you know that this is 90 degrees. So if I open it up, you know that it's going to be more than 90 degrees. So it's going to be, the number on the bottom, it's going to be 140 because it's more than 90 degrees. So that's the way to remember that. I would use that center point, that 90 degrees, to help me to remember that. And then if I come over here, you know that this is less than 90 degrees. So I have it straight. That's going to be right at 50 degrees. And as I go up, 60, 70, 80, 90. So if I open it up right here, what degrees would this be? 160. If I'm right here, how many would this measure? Straight. I can actually draw a square right here where the vertex is. That would be 90 degrees. If I close it, it'd be a cute little angle. And I go to right here, the 30, it's 30 degrees. If I come down here and lay it flat, it's a straight angle. okay? I write it 0. Doesn't have, any tilt and any turn in it. If I come below that, what am I doing? I'm making a reflex angle. So that's actually going to be more than 180. And so if I look at the amount, it's about an inch for each. That would be like maybe 190, 200. And as I go around and make my reflex angles, I'm going to come all the way back around to 360. So that's how you would measure that. So on your paper, you're going to just have the lines. And you may have a line like this. And you've got your vertex. They go like this, so it goes on forever, your lines. And if I was to use my protractor, I would line up the center. Normally, on a smaller protractor, you'd have a little circle. And this is like a deluxe protractor because it has the top and the bottom. And this is called an omega. I'm not sure. It's a circle, okay? Because it's all of the degrees of a circle is 360 degrees. Because you've got you've got a protractor here that's 180, and you've got one attached on the bottom, which is also 180. If I was to line this up, it's going to be right at 90 degrees. So this is a 90-degree angle. I can make a square right there. So what if I had an angle like this? Can I make a square in it? No. But I'm going to go right there, and I'm going to measure. So I didn't really draw a straight line. So if I was going straight, it would be right at, is that 120? No. Because use your 90 degrees as your center point. You know that this is less than 90 degrees. So this is going to be your 60-degree angle. This is this right here. This is your vertex. These are your arms. Arm, arm. This is a cute little angle. It's less than 90 degrees. If I have one like this, here's my vertex. Put it flat here. And map. So I've got sort of here in between the 20 and the 30, but now this is your 90-degree mark. This is going to be, what, more or less? That's more, isn't it? Because it's wide, it's opened up. So I'm going to go 100, 110, I'm going to go all the way over here. So this is 150, 160, what's right in between? You're going this way, 140, 145, 150, 155 degrees. That's a wide angle. That's this space right here. So what type of angle do we call that? You're right, that would be obtuse. It's larger than 90 degrees. Then what if we have one like this? I'm just going to draw a make-believe line so you know that this is our flat angle, and I'm going to come down below. So if I was to this right here. Could actually use this one for this. Turn it around this way. Okay, so this is 180. And then that's at about well, this is 180. So this quadrant is 90, this is 90, this 180. This would, right here, this would be 90 as well, but it's not all the way down. So I'm gonna do 180 plus 90. It's 270, so this would be 270. So this looks like it's a couple back, so it might be 250, say. So we'll say this is 250, 250 degrees. What type of angle would that be? That would be a reflex. Think of being bendable, think of being flexible. So today we've gone over the 4 types of angles and we've measured angles with a protractor. I'm going to post this video and also I'm going to give you some practice work. All of this is extra. It's for you, totally. Hope you're having a great day and I'll talk with you soon. Bye.